Today we're taking this old 48 Dodge grain truck cab off the chassis, and make sure you watch to the end because by the end of this video you'll have a good idea of what it takes to remove a classic truck cab off its chassis.
Let's get started.
I already have some of this work done from a previous trip up here. We took out all these bolts here and here. So front end's loose. So all we have left, we have a bolt here that we're working on, one right here. We also have two up here that you just unbolt from the inside. And we have the same thing on the other side. Hey, look at that. That's one way to get a bolt out. Woo! What's the trick on how to get these out of here again?
So, can't get that song out there.
Popped it right out. Let's tell you what, we keep you around for a reason, Lee. Alright, let's get this last one here. We're having a little bit of challenge with one of these bolts. It's still stuck in there. You can kind of see we have the one on the left out, but this one on the right still is jammed in there. You just run your Sawzall.
Oh, Sawzall would probably do it pretty
in that slot. What you can do is you can open this thing all the way up. Then what do? You get in here like this.
Yeah.
Hey, look at that. As soon as I got that bolt out, she just friggin' dropped. Bruh!
Let's go.
Ah! Now let's go to the other side.
He's off on this side already.
Tough to get some leverage on these now. I want to get them more on there. Well, that one's officially cracked. Oh! Oh, shoot.
I got an idea, bro.
What?
Just cut along that left side there.
Yeah, because I don't think we'll use this piece.
Oh. So that's done. Just have that one bolt now.
If the Lee to bring the power tools, I'm having tough times and the Lee just grabs the power tool. Bro, watch the paint. Yeah, it's just that one bolt. Or there's two other bolts that we can get to up back there. Two bolts down there that Lee's working on. So instead of taking that one that sticks up like this, there's two more that are on it that Lee's getting off. Seem to be coming off a lot easier.
Jake, that's why you don't say you get her.
Let her rip, Tater Chip. Do what you gotta do. Bro, freaking clutch, man. Should we take this front clip off?
Yeah.
Nope.
Wiring harness.
Oh, never mind, we're good.
Look at that.
Hey! Woo! That's pretty sweet. There we go. This is the bolt right here, sitting on mounting. We got the other one right there. And then you can see we got the same thing on the other side. One right there, the one in that back corner. What you doing here, bruh? I think you're on the wrong bolt. This isn't doing nothing.
I'm gonna get a side cutter, cut that off.
Yeah, I saw that. Ooh, watch the paint, bruh.
Watch the paint!
Oh, what? It just comes off?
Junkyard.
No way. I need that.
Here it is, right here.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's spinning. You found it. Let me see if I get this in here somehow. All right. No way, one off?
That was wild, bro. That was wild.
That was super. Let's not say it. Let's not say it. We're not saying it. We're not even saying it.
Don't say it. Other side.
So instead of this is what we thought it was, but it's actually down here in this hole.
Whoa. Ah, Jake, help me.
What?
The camera stands attacking me.
Oh man. Camera stand is attacking Lee. Oh, look at this, Lee. I took it out. Look at that. Might as well keep that, huh? You got the nut?
Oh, it's just like the other side. I'm spinning it again. Alright, the top's not spinning.
No way.
Yeah.
Shut up. You're lying. Don't be lying to me, boy. There she is. Uno más. Gee whiz. Yeah, where's that grinder? Hi, we got 3 of the 4 done. This last one, the hardware, is bigger than anything we can handle right now. So we're gonna go up, get a bite. I'm gonna charge my phone up a little bit more, and then we're gonna get the grinder out, grind that puppy off. And then we just have miscellaneous stuff to do, like we gotta unhook the steering wheel, make sure those foot pedals don't interfere. A couple shifters, a shifter in there. We gotta make sure it's not in the way when we take it off, and this cab might go for a ride.
You boys like Mexico? Yeah!
Woo! Ooh, it's spinning. Yep. Alright, little bumblebee. Ah! Run like the wind! That's what Dad does. He drives machinery around. He's working. He's using mechanical advantage. Got it? Oh yeah, she's coming. Oh, I don't want that to sit around. Somebody could get hurt. Those 2 thingamabobs are attached to the chassis, or attached to the body, and I think the rest is attached to the chassis. So I think we just need to take those 2 out on both sides. Yeah, we have 2 more over here. I think if we get those 2 out and the 2 on the other side, we'll be ready to rock and roll. Oh, Lee got it out. Look at that.
Told you. Not as dumb as my dad looks. Just grind the tips off, and that heats it up. Yep. And then if you break them, you don't have any threads you got to go through.
Do it to it.
I don't have much left. Nice. Freaking brilliant. Got it. Oh, you can hear me, can't you? Got the extension cord. hooking up an extension cord so we can grind off the bolt, so that as soon as we get the nut cracked, we don't have to go through all those rusty threads. Brilliant. My idea. Freaking genius. That is why Jake keeps me around. He would have sat there trying to twist his way through those rusty threads when good old Leroy goes, this is a little too hard. That looks like it sucks. So let's just grind off the tip, make it easy for ourselves. Got it. Got it. Got it. Oh yeah, that's what we're doing with these pedals, baby. Pedal number 2. I'm gonna do what I know best here, guys. Try a sawzall. That was a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. Let's get it. Jake's out messing around, trying to find a pry bar. I'm getting done. Catching. This is the bolt.
Yeah, the other side's coming up off the chassis too. This side is too.
Yeah. I think there's just a couple more things we gotta probably grind off.
Yep. Just cut this right here.
Okay.
Like butter, dude. All right, we got all the bolts detached from the chassis to the cab, and we got everything cut off that we need thus far to be able to lift this off. So next, we're coming up with a strategy on how to lift this off the chassis and get it away from it without hurting it, and see if we actually have everything detached that we need.
You see, notice a few items here, a couple of these here that I didn't have done yet. I exclusively noticed this right away before we lift.
That's why we keep you around.
Good. Somebody's got to keep you guys in order.
What is this?
Just cut it with a sawzall, both of these items here. Cut these two.
The fuel pump? What is that?
That's your inner punctum. Next to the poodle socket, it goes to the poodle socket and it goes in the inner punctum, which creates a coefficient of thermal expansion, which is E equals X over square.
And that's how the engine is?
Yeah.
You get that? The engine is?
Gee whiz, I would have just done it right here like that.
I had water in it. How's it gonna?
That's what he's gonna do.
Damn, bro. I think what I'm thinking. Come around
Okay.
There you go. Got a decent amount of tension on her. Whoa, yeah. Hold up.
Oh, shit.
Gas line, and then there's also this right here. Ah, would you look at that? Just look at it. Oh yeah. Oh God, I couldn't have done this without David. Special guest David, everybody, make sure you like and subscribe for David. So as you guys can see here, we got the cab lifted up off here on some pallets there. We did have a couple things that were attached underneath that we could not see. One was this right here. I have no idea what that was for. Zero idea. And the other one was the gas tank, which we had to get underneath there. As soon as we cut that, boom, she came up a little bit. We were good to go. It's really cool. You can kind of see where we cut the things inside of the cab so that it would come up nice and easy here. So that's kind of cool. We're gonna put this in storage, clean up our tools, drag this back where it was, and call it a day.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of the Roy Garage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when a new episode of the Roy Garage drops. There we go.
Well, she's got some scratches, guys.